Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools. So, first of all you have to do is dive into FlairAI, and this is the homepage. As you can see, here we have a various information about FlairAI. If we scroll down, we have here get started. It's free. And here make standout content with stunning templates. Then we have stage scenes visually with drag and drop props, bring it to life with AI, and other information as you can see here, and how you can build your own project. First parts like shorts faster than ever. Then we have here fashion new feature, fashion photo shoots. Then here we have curate, collaborate, and also remove background, and the first information about how is it FlairAI. So first, to get started is free and forever. Here we have here features. We have up to 10 images per month and up to 5 projects, as you can see. So choose FlairAI, a platform for creating branded content. You can just follow these steps. First, you have to sign up or log in, then you create project, then you upload brand assets, then you design with EA, then you review and edit, and the sixth one is download and use. The seventh is additional features, and the last one we have support and resources. So to get started, first you have to click here. So you can just use email or also Google to sign up, and this is the home page. As you can see here, we have a first thing like workflows, project, API, and we have here workflows, beauty, fashion, food. Here create food photography project, furniture. We have here create furniture photography, and CPG also, sidechain, and other things. We have here create new project, create product photography project, and you have here create fashion project. So we just click over create fashion project here. So as you can see, we have step 1, upload t-shirts or sweater. All I have to do is click over here and upload tops, t-shirts or sweaters to build your own project. Here we have a various things. Then you have your generate. We have here generate photo shoots in front of a natural beige background or SQL platforms. So here we write your descriptions for your projects, and then we have your real-time generation templates. We have your prompt builder. You can add view all. Also here search by keyword, as you can see. Then if you come back here, just click over prompt builder. You have your edit the prompt in the form below. You have your product and enter product prompt in front of also or against or with. You have here a natural beige background. You can choose also on or standing on, lying on. So you choose all you want. Here we have also number of results. 1, 2, 3, correct color also, render straight, color string, outline strings also. So this is it for generate. We have here also props. You can just upload customized prop, and you search by keyword. Have your platform, displays, flowers, plants, and natural rocks also, and other things, fruit. Then we have here humans. You can just select the one you want. We have here female skincare and beauty models, casual models, male models. We have hands holding smaller products, hand also. Then we have here try on. You can just upload tops, t-shirts or sweatshirt. Here you choose the color you want. Also other things, we have here positions also, and you can filter. You can just body slim, cloud fit, dress code, top style, sleeve style, and then long slave also. Then we have here edit. You can just remove the background of your image in one click. Magic erase, upscale creative, image variations, color also, no one. Here you can just select full color, trend or no one, price, the color also, download here and suffix. Then you download the image and you can share it. So if we come back here to upload product photo, to you have to tell it photo for your product. So you can just use canva.com. As you can see, it's free, and you click over customize and you click over here, then you choose your own photos. So you click over here and you choose your photos, then you select the background color, position also, then you can add page. Also you have your notes, present your notes, duration, timer, page also 101, and you can add comment, also quick actions and grid view, also zoom, and also present full screen. And then you click over share and you download, then you upload your product photo. Then if you upload your product photo and you've done all of these steps from edit, humans and try on, so then you just have to share this your own project in social media. It's free, useful and helpful, like Facebook and Instagram and other social media. So FlairAI is an AI-powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So finally, FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and to produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So all you have to do is just start building your project by using the steps: sign up, create project, upload brand assets, design with EA, review and edit, download and use then additional features, and finally support and resources. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.